Here I've got REALME C11, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first, you have to open Phone Manager, and as you can see, it's actually in the perfect condition, but or maybe not, just give it a couple of seconds. Actually, it can be optimized, so just tap on Optimize right here, and it will be done automatically. Just wait a couple of seconds. And click on Done. Now you can also clean up some storage. Just click on bin icon, and here also wait a few seconds, and you can clean some data. Just tap on Clean to do it. Click on Add, and as you can see, it has been done. So let's go back. Now you can also perform a virus scan. Just click here and then security scan will be performed automatically. Just wait and see if you have any virus included in your device, but as you can see, your REALME is super secure. Tap on Done to finish the whole operation. And that's it. So this is it. You can also switch off all running apps by tapping on the three horizontal lines right here, which are for recents. Then tap on Clear, and as you can see, all apps that were in the background disappeared, so it will also make your device work faster. And this is it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.